Yeah, hi buddy. Click on next, install. Yeah. Finish it. Okay, wait. Now what it is saying? It is saying for PVS server configuration wizard, right? But to do the same, wait. To do the same, we need to have database. So do one thing. Open your Citrix delivery controller. In that SQL server is already installed. Yeah. Open it. Click on start. Or else you can use any other separate database as well, but we have already have database in that machine, so we'll go with that. Why? Because for PVS we have to create the separate database.
So PVS, we need to have a separate database.
Yes.
So we can join the existing one as well.
Yes. If you have any SQL server, you can create that database in that server, no?
Okay.
Or
But
else
in the larger environment,
in the
they do
larger
have a separate.
in the larger environment, you will get a separate DBA guys, like database guys.
Mhm.
Okay. You have to ask them, like you have to create new database. Why? Because in production, that is not your responsibility to manage the database.
Right.
You will get separate team for the same.
Mhm.
Do not log in, not required. Go to that PBS01.
Okay.
Okay, click
Next.
on next. Yeah. So now, what it is asking, like for the DSCP services. Why? Because it is running over the network. So whenever any target device or any hardware boots up, so it will go to the DSCP for first to getting the IP address. Then after DSCP, it will go to the this one PVS server to get access to the virtual drive. So in our
Mhm.
case, we have configured DSCP on another server, that is on my domain controller.
Yes.
Yeah, click on that. Click on next. Okay. In the meantime, in the remote machine, open DSCP. No,
Which
no.
one?
In this machine only, no.
Do you have a discipline there?
Yes, not in this. In that server itself, no.
Which are we talking about? We
Man,
have a DC. We have a DSCP and DCR.
yes. So you have
Uh,
logged into DC, na?
okay.
Yeah. Open CMD here. No, not here, man. In this server, na, you have used Hamish site credential. Just click on the start in the taskbar. Yeah, in this machine.
In this machine, right?
Yeah. Not in virtual machines, on the physical server itself. Just minimize the gen center. Minimize the gen center. Yeah. Click on start.
Okay, right here, right?
Click on start.
Oh,
Open the server manager. Not visible to you. Okay, just because of. Okay, do one thing. Type server manager in the start menu. Not visible. Just give me a minute. Open the run box. Right click on start menu. Right click on start menu. Yeah. So here you are what you are getting. No. Okay, that is due to
so this.
restriction. Yeah, click OK. Again, right click and try to open the CMD or PowerShell. PowerShell. Open the PowerShell.
Oh,
No, it is popping up over there. No.
PowerShell, window PowerShell.
Yeah, open it.
Which one? Admin or regular?
Admin one.
Okay.
Now Enter that credential, CTX admin, and the password.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a minute.
The PowerShell.
Yeah, now here type DSCP. There is a shortcut way I'm telling you how to open without having standard like with standard account. Here type DSCP con for console con dot exe exe no exe, hit enter. What is saying? Not recognized. Why? Just type DSCP only and hit the tab key. You will get the commands. If I'm missing, it's com or con, whatever it is. Just type DSCP and hit the tab key. Mhm. Simply type DSCP and hit enter. Try. It should open. Not working. Just give me a let me try to
How
find
about
out.
NS lookup?
NS lookup
What are
is
we trying to open the DHCP?
yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm looking for the exact command. I think I have forgotten that. It is dscp con.exe, na? Why it is not working that command? Mm. Okay, type dscp mgmt.
DHCP
Mgmt.
MG
Empty.
empty
Yeah,
management.
yeah. Hit enter and see. Yes.
Okay.
Open.
Wow.
Yeah, that command was wrong actually. Yeah, expand that IPv4 and
Well, let me expand it.
yeah, expand
Server
the scope.
options.
No, expand the scope
Uh,
and click on the address list. Now, what we have to cross verify, like our PVS server is getting the IP that is 10.73, right?
73. Yeah.
Yeah, so actually multiple students are creating multiple like virtual machines in this server, right?
But right here,
So
PVS 01. There's two. No, this one is
this one,
56 that we create.
right. So before
56.
proceeding now, we have to check the DNS record. Open, go to the PowerShell window again. Just give me a minute. Now I have to look for the DNS command. Just Google it in that window. The DNS command from CMD or PowerShell.
DHCP command, right?
No, DNS command. DSCP we already got, right?
Yeah.
For
So which one we
DSCP,
command?
how to open?
Mm-hmm.
Just type how to open
Mm-hmm.
DNS manager with
In
CMD.
PowerShell?
No, DNS manager in CMD or PowerShell. Commands are same, no, for both CMD or PowerShell. Using CMD, yes. No, not this one.
Windows key.
No, no. Scroll down. Wait. Are we getting any? Here, DNS MGMT. No.
Yeah.
Just below that. Little bit below.
Right.
Little bit below. Yeah. Here you can see the phone number. Yeah. DNS MGMT.msc. Okay. Just type.
DNSMG.ms.
Yeah. Just type. And also try to remember those commands as well. Why? Because we always used to have like server manager console, right? In GUI. So
Yeah.
we never use these commands. Perfect.
Okay.
Open it. Double click on DC, forward lookup zone,
Forward location.
and techmtech.com. No, not this one. The below one, techmtech.com. Maximize this. Okay, now where is that PVS 01? Okay, for
PVS.
yeah, here it is.
It's right here.
So for PVS 01,
50.
IP is 10.56. Now cross verify that record with the DSCP. Go to a DSCP. Is it getting the same IP?
56. Yeah.
Mm,
This
perfect.
one.
Okay, so do one thing. Go to the DNS again and delete that record. PVS 73 1. No, not
Okay.
this one.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, delete that record. Okay, now PVS 01 getting 56. Do we have any other machine? There is a problem, man. Okay,
What
just
happened?
click, just click on the data column at the top.
This one?
Yeah,
Oh,
we are
we're getting
getting
the same.
same, na. So that's what I'm
Uh,
trying to check. Do one thing, just click on the
hmm.
data. Click on the data at the top center. You are getting name type, na. Name
Mm-hmm.
type data. Click on data.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So now it should be in sequence, right?
Right.
50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Just delete that duplicate entry. Yeah, delete it.
This
Second
one?
one. Yeah, this one.
This image. Okay.
Your master image. Delete that.
Yeah.
Perfect. Do we have any other duplicate entry? 51, 52, 53,
No.
54.
These
We
are
have
65 too.
we have
Fleet
two
ops.
machine. We have two machines with 58. You can see.
Fatma and Ramesh.
Delete that Ramesh one.
Ramesh one.
We are doing the cleanup in DNS. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And
Now
there's two. And the fleet ops two and HR does two. Same.
delete that HR text. Flip docs dex is there. Now you are working on that. Yeah. And 66, 67, 68, 69,
Oh,
70,
very good.
71, 72. Perfect. You can close that DNS manager now.
That's it, done.
Yeah, that we have done. You can minimize or close whatever you want to. Okay, now go to that your virtual machine, the PVS server, what we are configuring. Log into that. If we have configured that now without these settings now, our server setup will be the wrong.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then after we have to troubleshoot the multiple things. Okay, so now not here, not here, not here. You already installed it. Open that second tab which is open in the task manager. Click on exit. Click on exit from that. Yeah, click on exit. Now,
Close it.
yeah, close it. Close that as well. Click on the taskbar,
This
right?
is on.
So DSCP is running on another server. That is fine. Click on next. Perfect. So now what we have to do in Citrix, forms are there. So
Right.
forms are nothing like these are just like you can consider India as a form, right? And in India, we are having multiple cities like Delhi, Kolkata, or maybe Chennai, or maybe Hyderabad, right? So India is the form, and rest of the cities are the sites. Okay, click on next. Now it is asking for the database server. Simply click on browse. Click on browse. It will auto detect. Oh ho, why it is? Okay, click OK. Again, click on browse. It should detect our DDC. Okay. Do one thing. Cancel the entire console. Yeah, cancel this. Now click on start. Now click on the Citrix. No. Click on the Citrix. Expand that. Now the third option. Citrix provisioning configuration wizard. Click yes again. Click on next. Yeah, the last option. Click on next. Uh, PBA okay, that is also on the running. Yeah, click on next. Click on next. Now click on browse. Perfect. Okay. So it is now sync up with your SQL Express database. Simply click on next. Okay, so now it is asking for the database name. Okay, so you can mention like PVS 01. In the farm name, you can enter your country like Canada or New York, whatever, wherever you are living. Okay, in the site name, yeah, in the site name, you can put New York. And in collection name, you can put like what you can put like and just put it VM virtual machines or Windows machines, whatever do you want to put. Windows, yes. Simply click on next. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot one more thing. No, do not click on back. Do one thing. Open the file explorer in this machine and see how much storage is there. Click on this PC. Only 20 GB is available, right? Okay. Do one thing. Shut it down the machine. Shut down the machine. Cancel. I forgot to, I know, guide you to expand the storage. Why? Because to keep the virtual machines, na, we need at least 100 GB of storage. Now, not memory. Go to the storage. No, not memory. Go to the storage. Okay, now do one thing. Click on add, and now let's make it Only 145 GB is free out of 500. Okay, I have to do a lot of cleanup. Okay, do one thing. In the name, let's make it store. vdisk. Type vdisk store. vdisk store. No, disk na. Disk. Yeah, vdisk virtual disk hyphen store. Okay. So in the size, let's make it 100 GB for now. Okay, click OK. So we have got one new disk here. Okay. Now power on the VM, and we have to create one more partition.
So PVS, we need at least 100 GB storage.
Yeah, in with like for an example, like if you are having two virtual disk, right, with
Mm-hmm.
30 GB each, right, and you are booting 1000 devices from one vdisk, right? So at least for testing purpose, 100 GB is fine. With 100 GB, you can boot 1000 devices. Okay. Click on Send Control Alt and log into that machine. And in next session, we will try to deploy the target device installation. Target device will be done on the customer side devices, not with that. Again, click on Start and expand the Citrix folder and click on that. The third option.
We're not gonna enable those ports 66, 67.
No, not required. It is already enabled during the installation.
Also, already.
Yeah, click on Next. This last option. Next again. Next again. Create form. Browse. Click OK. And click on Next again. Okay, into the form name, mention USA, then NY in site name. Okay, click on Next. Okay. Wait. Again, okay. Do open the server manager in this machine. Don't cancel that. Open the server manager. Click on the file and storage services on your left hand side. On your left hand side. Now click on the volumes on your left hand side. On your left hand side, man. The volumes. Yeah. Now I'm okay. So we have got where is that 100 GB? Click on the disk just below to the volume. Click on the disk on from your left hand side. One disk should be there, no? Oh yeah, 100 GB is there. In the disk 0, yeah, not 0, the disk 1. Right click on that. Create a new volume. Click on next. Perfect. Next. Yeah. Click on OK. 100 GB is fine. Click on next. And drive letter E is fine and not shown that. Click on next and next again. Click on create. So what we have done, we have added one more hard drive to that machine with 100 GB. Click on close. Now open the file explorer and go to this PC, then E drive, open it, create one folder here and name it like store or vdisk store, whatever you want to mention. So what will happen here in this particular folder, all of your virtual drives will be there. Okay, now go to that console again, PVS console. Yeah, click on browse. Now go to select that path, volume E and store. Yes, click OK. Click on next. Okay, our license server is a DDC. So change the license server name to SHA-DDC. Why? Because we have installed license server on that machine. You remember? Yes. Now click on next. Next again. That is fine. Next again. So steaming card will be that 56. 56 fine. Port number is fine. Click on next. Okay. Check that box. ARDP.win. Oh, listen. ARDP32.win. That is your TFTP file, and whenever any device get some IP from DHCP server, so it will download that TFTP file, and that TFTP file like it is having all the information like to which PVS server that device have to go. Okay, so these kind of informations will be stored in that ARDP32.win file. Okay,
So this ARDP is comes from option 67, right?
comes from DHCP scope. Like
DSCP scope, yeah,
yeah,
the option 67, right?
yes.
Okay.
Click on next and click on next. Next again. Next, finish.
Oh,
So it will take a while. In the meantime, please open that DSCP scope. It is already open in taskbar. Yeah. Now, yeah, click on that. Now you are getting where is it? Click on the server options. Okay, here it is. Here it is only, na. Wait. Go to that option. You can see 67 boot file name is ARDB32.win. So I already configured it in my DHCP scope. The last one, the last
Yeah,
one. Yeah,
this one.
yeah. And
When you enable 66, that you put what IP address is the DC IP address
this
or
time we have to
66?
change. No, no, the 66, 67, it is not the IP address, okay? It is a
No, no.
port number.
No, when you enable the port on 66,
Mm-hmm.
you provide the IP address, right?
Yes, so here
In
in
order
this
to
case,
get
na,
Mahesh.
yes, yes. In this
Mhm,
case, we have to change the host name. Right click on that. Yeah, the boot server host name. Click on properties
mhm.
and change that host
This is
name,
it.
that string value. Why? Because these are the older records, okay?
Right.
You have to type pbs-01.techmtech.com. Okay, click
So
apply, click OK.
up up here we're gonna put PVS. Okay.
Okay, so now what it will do, now our devices will be boot from our PBS01 server, okay?
Okay.
And why we are
Okay.
giving a host name here? Why? Because host name is always good to provide the fully qualified domain name, okay?
Instead of IP address.
Yeah, instead of IP address.
Okay.
So now go to that Gen Center console,
Done.
click on done. Now click on start menu, click on Citrix. You will get fourth option, PVS console.
Yeah, got stuck. Oh,
Yeah, there might be because I'm using the same internet
mhm.
and one heavy file is being downloaded. Okay, right click on it, click on connect to form. Now here you can mention your uh, PBS server name. So just type PBS-01 or this is just a console. You can install it in any system and you have to
Mhm.
type your PBS server name and click on connect. So in your farm, you are having one farm that is USA. In USA, you can create multiple sites. Expand the site, you will get New York site. Expand New York, you will get this server. Click on the server. Click on the server.
It's getting late. Okay.
So you can see in New York
PVS.
site, you are having one PBS server. Okay. But in production, you will find more than two
So
for sure. Okay.
okay, if you want to create more sites, so I have to create from here, or you have to go back.
You have go back to that configuration wizard. Okay. Not from
Okay,
here.
then you create another site. Okay.
Yes. Click on
How many
Vidix
sites
tool.
can you make in one PVS?
Totally up to you. Whatever the
Oh,
network
okay.
bandwidth you have. So whatever the virtual disk you
Mm-hmm.
will create now, you will get list of virtual disk over here like for HR, for sales team or whatever. But here only benefit is that we have to create only single VDIX for the entire HR
Mm-hmm.
team or IT team, right?
Okay.
And all the
So
devices.
every machine can boot up from the disk.
Yes, yes.
It's called golden image as well.
It is not called as golden image. It is called as VDIX, virtual disk only.
Okay.
Now, go to the VDIX update management. From here, you can update your VDIX like same like we was updating the machine catalog in that uh,
Mhm.
MCS, na? Okay. Now go to the device collection. Okay. Expand that. Expand that. Yeah. Click on Windows VM. Okay. So here, for an example, you can create. Okay. Just right click on device collection. Click on create device collection. Now name it like sales team. Sales team. Just name it like sales team. Click OK. Okay, so now click on the sales team. So for an example, in sales team, you are having 1,000 employees. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
all the devices of the sales team will get listed here. Okay, without any hard drive, right? So after that,
Okay.
what you can do, you can map the single hard drive to all the 1,000 devices. Whatever you have created for the sales team, that particles will
Sales.
perform in upcoming one. Okay. Into the host, click
Mm-hmm.
on the host. Here you will get your hypervisor. We will add hypervisor later on. Now click on the store. We are having only 3 minutes in this call. So into the store, you will find the path of your store. Just right click on store. Go to the properties. And here and go to the path. So that is the path from where your VDX are stored. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Cancel this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is very simple console actually, not that much complicated. Only having few options, right?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah. So
Hmm.
I think tomorrow, I may not be available or I may be available. I will inform you guys, okay? And from next session onwards, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I will let you know how to create the
Mm-hmm.
target devices and how to create the virtual disk. Right now, we do not have any virtual drive, right? So we
Right,
will
right.
create the virtual drive in upcoming sessions, and rest of the personal things we can discuss offline. Right? I will be traveling after 2 hours for at least 300 kilometers. Okay. So if
Mr.
you
Mahesh, can I call you in a bit
mm, yes, you can call me,
to
but
dis
please allow me at least 5 minutes for a cup of tea, then
no,
you can call me. Okay.
yeah, only 5 minutes. I need to ask something.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. You can call me. Okay, guys. Thank you
No
very
problem.
much. Have a nice
All
day.
right.